Where can I use my HealthPace rewards card? First, you need to understand what it is. It is a prepaid debit card that you get through your health insurance like Ambetter. You earn money by doing healthy things like checkups, screenings, or vaccines. The money goes on your card and can be spent on approved items. So where can you use it? You can use it like a debit card, but only at approved places and for certain items, such as Walmart. You can buy first aid supplies, personal hygiene products, healthy groceries, some items, and over-the-counter meds. You can also use it at CVS and Walgreens. You can buy vitamins, pain relievers, cold meds, health essentials, bandages, and thermometers. Other pharmacies or grocery stores, some cards also work at Kroger, H-E-B, Food Lion, Dollar General, or Family Dollar, depends on your plan and the card type. Where you can't use it, no fast food or restaurants, no gas, no online shopping at Amazon or random sites, no cashback or ATM withdrawals. What can you buy with it? You can buy health-related stuff like OTC meds and supplies, toiletries, cleaning supplies, baby products, soap, shampoo, toothpaste. If you want to check your balance, you will go to myhealthpace.com or your provider site, and you can also call the number on the back of your card. Some plans have a mobile app as well. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.